How to delete your Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now, in order to delete your Telegram account, what you want to do is you want to first head into your browser on your device. On your browser, you can search in for my.telegram.org, or you can simply type in delete my Telegram account. However, you'll get to this link here. It'll ask you to enter in your phone number. You want to enter in your phone number along with your country code here first. Once you enter in your phone number correctly, tap on next. It'll ask you for confirmation code. Now, you won't get the confirmation code on your phone. Instead, you'll get it on your Telegram application or on your Telegram where you are logged in. Here you can see on the chat, you'll get the option there that says the Telegram web login code. You can see I've just got the code here on 11:54 and it's 11:55, so it's the code. What you want to do is you want to copy it. Now you want to get the option to copy the code only here, as you can see. So what you can do is you can copy this whole text, paste it down on the keyboard here, and then copy the code only from here. So this is the easier way. Instead of typing it, then tap on confirmation code, tap paste on here, and go ahead and paste the code and tap on sign in. Once you sign in, you'll get three different options. You want to simply select the option delete account, and then go ahead down below, you'll find delete account option, tap on it, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Telegram account easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.